present perfect structure is have, has, plus verb third form. Generally, you know it, but there are lots of time adverbs which can be used for the present perfect tense. Some of them are for and since. Let me explain first the for. For shows us the period of time, but since shows for us exact time. For example, I have lived in Istanbul for 3 years. Or if I want to use here since, we can say I have lived in Istanbul since 2018. Okay? For and since are used at the end of the sentence, which shows us the time. But there are some time adverbs that can be used at the beginning of the sentence too. For example, already,
Over.
just, yet. I have explained it to you if I'm not mistaken, yeah? For example, Elmina has already passed the exam. It means I can see the result that she did it. Lots of time ago. Elmina has just taken the exam. It means a few minutes ago or a few hours ago, Elmina took the exam.
But it says a keyword, yeah?
Yeah. But yet is used at the end of negative sentences and at the end of question sentences. But when it's used at the end of negative sentences, Elmina hasn't failed in the exam till today yet. It means she has never failed. But if you want to use it in question, for example, has she passed the exam yet? Yet here is used in the meaning of already. Yet in the question means already. Okay? Could you understand?
Yeah, I comprehend.
It's not so difficult to use for and since. For example, I have played tennis since I was 15. I started playing tennis 15 years ago, it means. Okay? If I want to change that sentence, look, I have lived. If I want to change it, for example, I lived there 3 years ago. We can change it to past simple like that. But in present perfect, we use just for and since to show the duration of time, period of time. Do you have any questions about it, Hussein?
No.
Okay. Now let's look at your books.